Hello there, welcome. Charles Sebastian here. Very excited today. Today is the 24th of December. I'm actually here in Boston, as you can see. This is the Great Hubbard, and today I want to talk about something really special and it's very important. We always know that if you're a Christian, something like that, Christmas time is is a time that we celebrate when Jesus was born, and we all know that. Jesus became, a very good example of life, especially, for example, for the things that he did with his disciples and stuff. But I'm not really talking about today about religion, but I'm talking about something that we can actually do as a self-pay. Okay, you guys know that I'm a life coach. I've been studied the human behavior for over 20 years here in the United States of America and traveled the world a lot. But today I want to talk about something that you have to get inside of your heart, before you accept Christ on the 25th of December, which is, the Christmas time. You have to get inside of your heart and make sure that you take it off all of the bad things that you have in your heart. It might be that you made a decision that they probably affect yourself and affect some other people around you, but when you make a decision, you want to make sure that you make the decision in a good way, in a very spontaneous way, and the way that you don't hurt another people. But the decision that we're going to do today, it's a decision that you have to get yourself into going to the next level of your emotion, relationship, or anything that you are thinking about now. Now, it might be that probably you're not talking with probably your mother, your father, whatever, stuff like that. But you may want to get the phone and just give them a call and say, hey, I'm sorry for whatever happened, things that I did, stuff like that. You can do that. It's so easy. Okay, you gotta feel like much comfortable the way you do the process of I'll say the self-healing, cleaning your heart before you do things and anything else that you will think about it. So just make sure you do that. I want to not take too long with this video here, but decision is something that you really take decision. You got to make sure that you really do the right thing, because taking decision on the wrong time, it may affect you and affect other people. So to make sure you analyze that. If you heard, like, say, for example, break up with your boyfriend or whatever it is, girlfriend, wife, or husband, just go there. Say to them, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. You may want to ask them to forgive you or something like that. Okay, but you have to work out yourself. If you don't work out yourself, your heart, it's going to be very, but very hard for you to going through the next level of your emotion, relationship, or whatever. Because I see that today's people are changing things like money for happiness. You want to be happy. You don't want to, I see a lot of people doing, paying a car payment, the Mercedes or BMW, whatever it is. You know why you're doing this? Because you want to show people that you are feeling good, that you have success, but you are unhappy. This is your problem. You are unhappy. You want to make sure that you do the things that is important for your life, for your relationship, for the people that are around you. Okay? So just make sure that today, the 23rd, some people go to church or something like that. Like I go to church today. It's going to be awesome. But just make sure you do the right thing, because sometimes, take decision on the wrong moment, it may affect you and affect another people. So not take a long of your time, but I just want to make sure. This is a little bit of Boston, which is really cool. Today is the weather. It's okay. It's not that cold, but I want to see you on the next video. Okay, I'm gonna make a video talking about how you can have your best year ever 2020, self-discipline, goals, everything that we need. And I want to finish up with this song here that I'm playing here. All right, thank you guys. I see you on the next video. Bye now.